Look at my pair. I actually forgot about these too. Peace and love, guys. Today we have another Union for LA. I keep leaving the LA part out. Come on. I know I do this every single time. I know. What y'all think about the Union 1 laces up in here? Is that cool? Picks for Days had a pair out there. I was like, hey, what's up? And they were like, we don't got no sizes. So I was like, okay. Then I moved on. And then I asked somebody else. I was like, hey, can you send me those? They were like, yep, right away. And then I'm like, cool. I get another message, and then Kicks for Days already sent me like QC. So I was like, oh. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, I'm wearing the tag with these joints today. All right. I don't think I'm gonna really do that. Oh, the sun's coming out now. I appreciate that. So now I gotta do 2 pairs. And luckily, the Kicks for Days pair was better. I think I'm gonna tie one and just leave one flapping, I guess. Shout out to Kicks for Days, man. Legends. I'm assuming that the other person won't watch this video. And if they do, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Step your game up. I do like them, though. I don't know about the flappy wing thing, though. I actually don't mind the flap. You know what I'm saying? It's been raining for the past 3 days. I couldn't get outside and really do anything, and I didn't want to wet these up. I didn't want to wet these ones up. These ones are like perfect, so. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. These ain't bad at all. So I guess I'll just step outside real quick, get a couple shots. I'm gonna go outside real quick, sit down, look a little emo, roll some music, and then that'll be it. Is that cool?
Yeah, the office videos, you know, sometimes they're fun, sometimes they're cringy. You know, I can only do so much. Wait, am I doing the Jordan hands? But anyway, guys, peace and love. We have the 4th or 5th iteration of the Air Jordan Union LA 4 Off Noir. And I love the shoe. It is my favorite 4 from Union. My favorite one is the blue toes. And like I was explaining earlier, I asked Kicks for Days for a pair of these. They were out, and then I asked somebody else. They said yes, and then Kicks for Days just, you know, didn't tell me they were sitting. They just kind of boxed them up, which I greatly appreciate. So it is what it is, because I was thinking the other pair had a better toe box, but I was wrong. I was wrong. This is probably the best iteration I've seen since they've came out. Some of these even look better than the retails, but this pair is just magnificent. And for all Union 4s, I do go up a half size because they're made with so much extra padding, and the materials are really thick, which I love. The craftsmanship is great, and I recommend just going up a half size. Both of the sellers were going to send me 9.5s, and then I was like, I need a 10. And they're like, really? I was like, yes. And they both accommodated that. So shout out to both providers or gifters for that. But as you're looking at this B-roll here, or A-roll, it is just magnificently put together. I really couldn't find anything that's off. I think I reviewed a retail pair of these sometimes back. It might have been the Guava Ices. I cannot remember. But the point is, at this time of filming this video, this is the best version out there. Again, I hope the other seller doesn't watch this video, but this is the best version that I've seen, and they actually feel a little better on my feet than the last pair. Last pair wasn't bad. They just don't really feel as good as this pair. Hopefully some Guava Ices do eventually pop up, because I really like those too, but I'm happy with these. As far as the insole, it's some of the good old polyurethane that feels magnificent. I think this is why it feels a little better than the other one. And I was the last inside the shoe was a little questionable as well. But just overall, the shape, they nailed it. There's nothing wrong that I can figure out. If I'm wrong about something and you're noticing, you're like, ew, that's not right, let me know. Let me know. I have no idea. I don't even think I blacklit these because there was really no point. But I think they like when I do that, so I'll see if I can come up with a black light. But the shoe's amazing. Make sure you thumbs up the videos. You can tell it's a Friday. And make sure you follow me on IG as well. That's where you can contact me, and there's mostly exclusive content there, if you want to put it like that. But here's a black light. I actually shot this when I first got the shoe, and I forgot I did do the black light. And like I said, there's no pin marks, no leading lines, which are the pin marks. They're just perfect. But I'm out, guys. You know I got other videos to do. Peace, love, and light. One.